Children, welcome to Narayana live classes. Assignment key discussion. Assignment key of class 6th dated on 22nd June 2020. The topic for this assignment is grammar, adverb and its kinds. First Roman, see. Identify the adverbs from the given sentences and say what kind of adverb they are. Right? First sentence. He will arrive today. He will arrive today. What is the adverb here? Today. Children, you know very well adverb. Definition of adverb. Adverb means it adds something to the meaning of the verb. Means an adverb says when the action is going on or went on or will go on, where the action takes place or took place or will take place, how the action is going on, how often the action is going on. Means depending on this one, so there are four important kinds of adverbs. First one, we can take adverb of place. Second one, adverb of time. Third one, adverb of manner, means in which manner the action is going on, how the action is going on. And fourth one, adverb of frequency, how often the action takes place. Now, so let us identify the adverbs in given sentence. He will arrive today. So today is adverb. Already I told you, adverb adds something to the meaning of the verb. It says something about the verb, right? He will arrive today. So today is adverb. What kind of adverb it is? It is an adverb of time. Today indicates time. So today is adverb of time. When we simply keep the question when by using the word when, if we get the answer, so that is adverb of time. He will arrive when? Today. So it is adverb of time. Second one. He stood outside. He stood outside. He subject, stood verb. Generally, adverbs are used after verbs. Generally. So, he subject, stood verb. Outside is adverb. What kind of adverb? Outside. Outside means it indicates the place. When we simply put the question by using the word where, if we get the answer, so that is adverb of place. He stood where? Outside. So outside is adverb of place. Now third one. Arun ran fast. Arun subject, ran verb, fast. So here fast is adverb. It says how Arun ran. When we put the question by using the word how, if we get the answer, so that is adverb of manner. In which manner the action took place or takes place. Arun ran how? Fast. So this is adverb of manner. Now D. I always like good songs. I always like good songs. What is adverb here? Always. I always like good songs. What kind of adverb this is? How often I like good songs? Always. So that is adverb of frequency. Now let us see fifth one. He left early. He subject, left verb, early adverb. He left early. So this early is adverb. What kind of adverb? Let us see. He left when? Early. when we simply put the question by using the word when, if we get the answer, so that is adverb of time. So he left early, so this is adverb of time. Now let us see F. Madhu went out. Madhu went out. So Madhu subject, went verb. So what is adverb here? Out. Madhu went out. What kind of adverb? Out is Madhu went where? Out. When we simply put the question by using the word where, if we get the answer, that is adverb of place. Madhu went out. So this is adverb of place. Now let us see next one. She spoke politely. She spoke politely. She subject, spoke verb, politely adverb. So let us underline this politely. What kind of adverb politely is? She spoke how? Politely. When we keep the question by using the word how, so that is adverb of manner. In which manner she spoke? Politely. So this is adverb of manner. Next one. He sometimes comes to me. He sometimes comes to me. He subject, comes verb, to preposition me object, right? Then what is adverb here? Sometimes is adverb. Sometimes. When we keep the question by using the word how often, he comes to me how often? Sometimes. So sometimes is adverb of frequency. Now, Hari will visit us tomorrow. Hari will visit us tomorrow. Hari subject, will visit verb, us object, tomorrow adverb. Hari will visit us when? Tomorrow. So when we keep the question by using the word when, so that is adverb of time. Hari will visit us tomorrow. So tomorrow is adverb. Adverb of time. So last one. She writes neatly. She subject, writes verb, neatly adverb. She writes how? Neatly. So neatly is an adverb of manner. Dear children, adverbs generally end in ly. Ly. Most of the words, of course not all words, most of the words end in ly. For example here today, so ly is not there. Outside is not there. Fast, not there. Early, always, ly not there. Early, ly, right? So ly, it ends in ly. Out, it indicates the place, so ly no required. She spoke politely. Politely is formed from polite, so ly is added. And sometimes time, so ly no need. Tomorrow time, no need. She writes neatly. Neatly is formed from the word neat, so ly is added to neat. So neatly. So like this, we can come across these adverbs of time, adverbs of place, adverbs of manner, adverbs of frequency, children, by concentrating on the given examples. I hope you got this. Thank you. All the best.